Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can connect my funded futures to NinjaTrader. So the first thing, just make sure you are enabled the multiple provider. You can do that by going to the tools, settings, and then where it says multi-provider, make sure it is enabled. And if it is not, just enable it and restart your NinjaTrader. After that, we can go to the connections right here and click on configure, and where it says NinjaTrader, select that one and click on add right here. Use your my funded futures credentials right here, put the username and etc. Then you'll need to click apply or OK, and then where it says connections, you'll see my NinjaTrader, and basically if you click on that one, it will show green like this, and you will eventually be connected to your trading account. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and comment down below for the algorithm.